Albert, here at Acrona Engineering, you've purchased many Hurco machines over the years. Firstly, what do you like about the Hurco machines?
Some simplicity in programming. When we first started buying Hurcos, we used to program most things by the machine front, and I was really impressed with the way it worked. The other thing is that over the generations, when they bring out a new model, you can actually incorporate it into the old one. You don't lose everything.
Now, the program might be simple to use, and lots of people love the program, especially the new Max 5 that I've spoken to. But the parts that you manufacture are certainly not easy to manufacture. Now, can you tell me some of the components that you make on the new Hurco machine?
We make a varied components for different types of industries, mostly the nuclear, medical and pharmaceutical companies. And people tend to design things more difficultly because they know it can be made.
Now, you've purchased many new Hurco fifth axis simultaneous machines. Now, this is the VMX30 UI. You've also got the VMX42 SRTI. Now, these are two different machines, still both fifth axis full simultaneous. This illustrates the kind of versatility of Hurco offering solutions. Now, can you tell me why you've purchased this particular model?
Because it accepts the same programming as the 42, and we run Edgecam, and it works for both machines. We got a couple of seats of Edgecam, and the offline programming enhances the Hurcos, and we find them very, very effective.
Now, the complexity of the work, obviously you need an accurate machine. How do you find the accuracy?
The accuracy is brilliant. It holds the tolerance we require. Some of our customers are extremely tight on their tolerancing, and we've obviously have to bear that in mind when we're sourcing machines.
And what about the rigidity, longevity of the machine?
I've had Hurcos, I've been buying Hurcos for 20 years. I've got a good relationship with Hurco. They're just 20 miles down the road, 25 miles down the road in Wickham, and we've never had any serious problems with them. We've had teething problems sometimes, but they're very, very good at getting out very quickly. Their service is second to none.